everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all over the world and wherever you are right now. So, okay, so while waiting for other viewers, nako, feeling ko naman may viewers ako. O, di ba? So, yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone all over the world and wherever you are right now. So, hopefully, everyone is safe and sound. Happy Saturday. Happy weekend to everyone. It's a very nice weather today outside. Time to enjoy. Hi, Zap. Good morning. Time to enjoy the beautiful day with family. Outdoor naman tayo, o di ba? And time check today is 11:37 in the morning, August 3, 2024, and today is Saturday. So I will be looking up and down because I have two screens right now. Hindi pa kaya ng bulsa na mag-ibang platform. So anyhow, anyway, I'm here in front of you guys live. And today is our 13th day of our 90-day success challenge. And we will gonna be talking about success stories. Naks. Success stories. Success stories. Pero before that, chideng. What is this, guys? Not to brag, but to inspire, o di ba? O even if I'm working on my pajamas right now and my shorts and at the comfort of my home, I'm still getting an extra income, supplemental income. So I'm just inspiring everyone. We're gonna check how much is that one later on. And this envelope, it is also a success story, and I will share you this envelope later on. But for today's success stories, thank you, Gina, thank you, Zap, and thank you, Ken, for allowing me to allowing me to agree on my invitation. Nako, tama ba yun? But anyway, we will gonna be talking about success stories, and we know that everything that we do, we have to celebrate small, big man yan, achievement. We have to celebrate it because it is still a success. And dahil lahat ng mga yan, kung paano natin nakuha yung isang magandang bagay, may napagdadaanan yung mga yan, mahirap man or smooth man or 'di ba, madali, success pa rin yan, o 'di ba? So may iniimbitahan ako ngayon na mga guests para i-share nila. Actually, they are my inspiration. They are my business partners, and they always guide me, support me. Tapos sila yung nakilala ko dito sa ay by the way, yung isa matagal ko ng friend, pero yung isa nakilala ko siya more on dito sa digital business namin. Pero magkakilala kami dati pero not that close. But because of this business, we became a family, right? And that's the good thing about it. So let me just welcome them. Please help me welcome them, my guests. Gina, oh, ayan. Oh, hindi pala unable to add guest. Okay, adding. Okay. So Zapra, nag-a-add na. So hopefully, i-accept niya ang aking call a friend. Call a friend tayo ngayon.
Hindi.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Ayun!
Again,
welcome to my Go Live!
mag-upload sa ano. Yeah.
Buti naman. It's a sudden invitation. Bigla ang invitation. Naisip ko lang na, oh my gosh, it is a success stories on our 13th day. Wala akong maisip. Sabi ko, sila ang aking bibiktimahin. Diba? I'll try to bring Gina. Saan siya? Send invite. Okay.
Wala.
Yahoo.
Wala. Podcast ka na. Yeah. Baliktad yung kuan.
Send invite.
Baliktad.
They can't join your broadcast at this time. Bakit? Hi, Jeans. Hello, hello. Oh,
Yun.
ayun. Oh, adding na si Jeans. Ayun!
Yun.
So these two are my guests, John, Kenneth, and Gina with Zapra, of course, because they're couple. Ngayon yung topic namin is success stories. Sabi ko, sino kayang iimbitahin ko bigla? Actually, bigla. Last minute pong invitation sa kanila. Kaya hindi po kami nakapag-prepare. Hindi po kami nakapag-prepare pero kahit man, 'di ba, tuloy pa rin ang agos ng
Ligaya.
buhay, 'di
Tuloy
ba? Tapos
pa rin ang
tuloy pa rin
business
ang
at
ating
ligaya.
business.
Tuloy ang
And hey,
ligaya. Share ko lang to.
oh, 'di ba?
Yay!
Oh,
Congratulations!
Okay, congrats.
buksan
Congrats
natin
kay
mamaya, silipin
Melanie
Ba't
natin
hindi
kung
na
ano
tayo
meron.
narinig?
Pero ang pag-uusapan natin is success stories. So, iniisip ko, 'di ba, lahat naman ng mga success, small man 'yan o malaki, success
Hindi
pa
tayo
rin 'yan.
naririnig ate.
Ha?
Naririnig. Oh, I see.
Success pa rin yan. Kaya dapat sineselebrate.
Yes.
Small wins or big wins, right? Pero bakit ang hina ng mga bosses ninyo? I don't know.
Mahina
Pero,
ba?
Hindi ka nakano.
ayan. Oh, ayos
Hindi ka
na.
Ayan.
naka-speaker.
Oo. Yun pala
Mahina pa
yun.
ba?
Hindi, ayos na, ayos na.
Hindi tayo mahina, malakas tayo eh.
Ngayon mahina ka na. Mahina na.
Thank you for
Celebrating success.
watching. Rosemary, good morning. To our 1 million viewers. Aba, talaga naman. Yes, so back to the topic. Di ba, ang 13th day natin is regarding success stories. So kayo yung hinila ko, di ba? Lifesaver talaga kayo.
Mhm.
Last minute. Kaya sabi ko, baka naman magsasawa sila sa aking kinukwento. Kaya hilain ko na nga tong dalawang to, sabi ko. But
Exciting yung
anyways,
kay Zap tsaka Ken.
oo.
Bakit?
Kasi yung sa isa, actually si Gina,
Narinig mo na sa akin.
yeah, parehas ko din yan na parehas ko na first time na sumali sa isang business na ganito. So, it is a really big success for her. Pero sina Zap naman and Ken, they've been through a lot, right? Ang daming mga business na sinalihan, sinamaan. pero dito sila nag-stick. Oh, 'di ba? At saka
Yes.
share nila yan kung bakit nga ba ito ang napili nila, oh, 'di ba? And I'm on my 9 months already on this business, and Gina
Aha. 17 months.
and Zapra.
Ikaw, 10 ka na. Mandiyan, kami ang 9.
Ay, 10 na. Ayun, 10 na pala ako. 10 months
Kasi
na pala
August
ako.
na.
10 months na pala ako.
To be official, August 30 ka.
Oh,
I know, right?
Oo.
September.
September. Hindi, para mag-10 siya.
oo nga.
Yes, if
Hindi.
you are available.
Oo nga pala, 11. Oo nga, no.
Mag-11
August
ka na.
Yun. 11 na ako. Oh my goodness.
11 ka na.
Hindi, mag-11
Mag-11
siya,
ka pa lang sa August 30.
Oo.
Okay. So 10.
Yeah, so 10 ka
Yes.
pa lang.
And 9 months sina Ken and
Yeah.
Zap. Yes.
Yes.
So, for ito ang unang tanong ko.
Mhm.
Sa inyo, how and why
Oh.
you chose this business? Yun lang naman, just to make it short. Huwag nating pahabain kasi. 'Di ba? How and why? Oh, 'di ba? Sinong mauuna?
How and
eh.
why
Yung nauna
you join?
sa business.
Yun ang una sa
How
Tsaka
and
sino
why
pinakamatanda,
you
di ba?
yung promotor, yung may kasalanan.
According to age.
Yeah.
Yes, just give a little bit of background from Gina. Kasi ano sa atin kaming dalawa ni Ken, we always talk about, a friend of my, or, a friend of ours, a friend of mine,
Mhm.
or yun, nag-join. Actually, siya yung may salary, siya yung culprit. Ako,
Mhm.
yung culprit ng aming group kung bakit kami napasali at saka kung papaano kami napasali. So, we want to
Yeah.
hear from Gina.
How and why? Oh, very,
Yes.
very short.
But give a little bit of background of
Yeah.
how three of us were, joined the
Got in this
business.
together.
Yes.
Yeah, so uh, una, syempre ako yung promotor, 'di ba? And because I was looking for I really gusto ko lang talaga ng plan B. Plan B tsaka alam ko na yung trabaho natin ay hindi siya forever. Hindi siya permanent. Kasi nga nung nagkasakit ako, maubusan ako ng PTO, ng sick hours. Eh, syempre doon ako nag-worry na paano kung paano ako kukuha, saan ako kukuha ng pampalit ko dito kung wala akong iba. So, doon ako nag-isip until to nga nakita ko. And I started kahit hindi ko alam. I was skeptical, yes, kasi hindi pa ako sure masyado. But I started anyway. And hindi naman ako nag-regret kasi ah ito nga. Oh, 'di ba? Isa na lang trabaho ko. And how we got in this together? Is that what was that your question?
Mm-hmm.
Syempre, because I was posting on Facebook. I was posting on Facebook. Noong una, they were asking me na. They asked me about this. Pero syempre, nung hindi pa ako sure, syempre kaibigan ko sila, mga kapatid ko sila. Nung hindi pa ako sure, ayoko naman na sasabihin ko na, yeah, come on, join me, na hindi pa ako 100% sure. So, inaral ko muna yung business.
Mhm.
Nung nalaman ko na I was 100% sure na legitimate siya, ang talagang magbe-benefit kami dito. Then dun yung time na nung nagtanong na sila, yes, if you want, you can do this. I told them about the first step. Binigay ni Julian yung email niya, and then pangalawa, yun na, yung second step until nag-start na sila ng business nila. Kasi sure na ako na hindi ko sila hinihila na kung saan-saan lang na ako ipapahamak ko sila. That's how we got in this together, di ba?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, nag-start si Jao, and then, sumunod na sila Kin and Zap.
Yeah.
Nako, talagang 'di ba? Because of a trust, you have to work it, 'di
Oh,
ba?
yeah.
At saka sa ating business, trust is really important.
And thank you for that. Kasi you trusted me. Of all my friends, sila lang yung nag-trust sa akin.
Of course naman, alam na ikaw lang yung yung aangat. Edi kami din. Di ba?
Lahat ng friends ko, hindi na sila nag-trust.
Nakita kasi namin kung paano nag-progress si Gina sa kanyang business.
Yeah.
'Di ba? At saka nakita natin kung paano siya nag-improve as a person as well. Iba talaga yung effect ng business na to sa lalo na sa personality, 'di ba? Yes. And that is already a success. Nung nag-join
Yes.
tayo, success na rin.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Thank you
Mhm.
din.
'Di ba? Baka, sige, bye-bye. Baka may madagdag pa kayo, di ba?
Ayan,
Ken
si
Zap.
Ken naman. And Zap.
So, how and why?
Pero,
Halos na kanina.
gusto ko
Yeah.
lang munang malaman ang kwento ni Ken and
Yes.
Zap. Just a little bit of background about, because I mentioned a while ago na may business sila before. So,
I started it.
yes. Starting
Okay.
good.
Ayun.
Ayun. So, before we got into this business, we have multiple business na sinalihan namin ni Zapa.
Side hustles.
Although, yeah, side hustles, because being a professional stay-home dad, so we need another side source na, kasi si Mrs. lang nagtatrabaho. So, although na yung mga side hustles na sinalihan namin, it helped us on that time, on the right timing, And all these mga businesses na pinag-pray din namin ni Zap, all in God's plan parati yan. And we always pray for it. Parating ganun ang ginagawa namin ni Mrs. And then God will lead us kung sana what do you call this one, saan kami mas magpo-prosper. Kasi we let God to be the pilot of our life, not us.
And
So to make it short, yung mga businesses na nasalihan namin, it helped us in that time, pero hindi naglalas. It's only in a short period of time na parang, oh mami, medyo nagkukulang na tayo. And then here comes another business that we get into. It helped us get away from that problem. And then ganun na naman. It's like a cycle. Yung nangyayari sa amin ni Zap na hindi siya for long term. And then once like Ate Gina, the culprit, sabi niya, oh, may nakita akong business. Eh, ang bungad naman sa amin kasi, ang laki-laki naman. Sabi niya, oh, ganito. Sabi niya, ganon. So, teka mami, mag-pray muna tayo about that one. Kasi, malaki. And then, okay, and then, like what Ate Gina said nga na, hold on muna, don't join me yet. Sabi niya, ganon. Let me see, because she doesn't want us to, lahat kami babagsak. Siyempre. And then for 7 months, we've been seeing Ate Gina posting live, posting those checks, yung mga success niya. So parang, sabi ko nga kay Zap, mami, sana dapat talaga pinasok na natin ganun. Ako yung impulsive eh. Pero kung ako nung that time eh. Kasi nga, ako rin, totoo lang talaga, syempre, being a stay-home dad, stay-home mom, as much as possible, you want to contribute financially sa bahay. Although nakaka-contribute ka na at the house, being yung cook, paglilinis, paglalaba, and everything, tigasin nga eh. So, nandun pa rin yung thought na na desire na to help out to kay Zab financially, kasi lalo na she has 2 job. Yung isa, magdadrive siya for an hour. Alam mo yun, pagbalik niya, inaantok siya. So every time she comes home in the morning, tatawag parati yan para siyempre I need to call her too para hindi siya rin inaantok pag-uwi. And then yun nga, and then sabi na natin, Gina, come on, join na. It is a legit, sabi niya ganon. And then we did our own homeworks too na para we are skeptical too. Ang laki-laki naman ganyan nalalabas mo. Ganun kami ni Zap na siyempre saan nyo na lang naman na ano. Siyempre, nowadays lahat kung naman sa in everything naman may mga be cautious ka lang kasi may mga fisher dyan eh. May mga nagfi-fish dyan, scams and everything. So, we are careful din kami ni Zap and everything na pinapasok namin, and we always glorify sa Panginoon in everything we do. And we always pray for it. And then alam mo yung experience namin with Zap, ni Zap kasi na if this business is with para sa atin, sabi ko gano'n, it will go smoothly. Kasi sa other times naman na experience namin, it wasn't smoothly, or hindi lang sa business, in every making a decision. So pag make na decision, always there's may hindrance, may blockage parati na hindi nag-go smoothly sa mga plans namin na gusto namin. And then we decided this digital business, pinasok namin, it was smoothly, and then ganon, yun naman na yung talagang nangyari sa amin ni Sap for we joined October. Ako pa, and then naghahanap talaga kami ng business that I could do at home. I don't need to report sa offices and everything, na physically nandun ka. At least, I'm still dito sa bahay, taking care of the kids, cooking, I could still do this business.
Yeah.
I could do other things while doing this business. So very flexible tong business na to. That's why yun nga, in-encourage na nag-encourage na kami ng dalawa na uy, why not we join this one? Kasi maganda naman ang outcome. And then with all those people testimonials they've been through, mas malala sila kasi they've been through a lot. Rock bottom sila,
Yeah.
like Coach Lin.
Yeah.
Talagang rock bottom siya. Yung mga inspiration na yun, we take it into an account pa na kwan. And then posible naman siguro na lulukuhin din naman tayo ni Ate Gina. Kasi kung lulukuhin tayo ni Ate Gina, di kunin ko yung bahay niya. Joke lang. Joke. Kaya yun nga. And then for 4 months na since we started October, wala pa kaming business partner. And then ito si Mrs. nga na napapaiyak na, si Zap napapaiyak na. And then I keep on telling her kasi on board kaming dalawa eh. You need to have a partner talaga na be positive pa rin.
Yeah.
Although nagne-negative yung isang partner mo or likewise, ako naman nagne-negative, siya naman nagpa-positive, kailangan mo pa rin i-kuan. And then sabi niya, paano to nangyayari na? Lalo na buntis siya. Paano na pag maternity leave? Mag-short na yung income natin with our bills and everything. And then sabi ko, pinag-pray naman natin sa Panginoon and we just trust na lang natin yung process and trust God about it. And then, well, kung wala tayong mahikayat this year, sabi namin, last year, sabi nila, you could write off everything.
Yeah.
I-write off mo everything. And then, yun lang muna ang goal namin. That's our goal na write off natin with this business and everything. Nangyari naman. So we yung outcome may return technically may return of investment na kami beginning this year kasi nakuha namin 2 write-off. Yun lahat. So
dumire-diretso na si Kenneth, di mo na kailangan tanungin.
Yeah, at least.
That's how we.
Yeah, yun.
Kinikwento niya eh.
Yun ang success story namin to the help of God pa rin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yun pa rin, yun ang success story namin. Siya yung driver namin, ang Panginoon pa rin ang driver.
Amen.
And sabi ko sa kanya, don't be discouraged kasi ilang months pa lang naman tayo with this business. Sabi nila, you could write off, then let's benefit on the write off kung wala pang business partner. Sabi ko sa kanya, yun nga at yun naman, talagang malaki-laki naman.
Yes.
Malaki
O, diba?
talaga.
Yeah.
Malaki din yung success ng dalawang to sa
Malaki.
pagsaling ng business na to. But when you join this business, you will see a lot of people success stories. You will really watch their testimonials and everything. They will tell your stories. You will learn from it. But for these two, kina Zap and Ken, oh my gosh, I learned a lot of things from them. Especially mas bata sila sa akin, knowing na mas bata sila sa akin. But I've learned a lot from them. Especially lifting everything to the Lord, na small things or big things man yan, i-center mo lang si Lord. Tapos yung natutulong sa kanila, if you will pray,
through good or worse, you still pray. You glorify Him.
Yes, and then pag doon ko na ano sa kanila na if you pray specific kung ano talaga ang gusto mo, which is yun ang talagang tumatatak sa isip ko pag
be specific.
Be specific because that is what I did. Minanifest nila, pinag-pray nila, and yun na nagkasunod-sunod, and they were able to hit the milestone that they want to reach before mag-leave si Zap, which is we are very very thankful and happy about, diba, Jeans?
Yes.
Yeah. And
We are
then
so
with this
happy.
business naman talaga, and we're not telling you guys na success agad. Mas maganda yung pagtatrabuhan mo at the bottom, you struggle. Kasi kami, mindset namin mag-asawa, if there's a struggle, we are happy at the end na may darating. What will be the blessing? Ayun, mangyayari mong we will be struggle for this for the meantime. But me, I'm
The reward is
I'm looking yung reward na at the finish line. Yun yung parati ko inaano. Every time there's a problem, ganun parati ako tinitingnan. Oh, ano naman, may problem na naman. Oh, ano kaya magiging blessing after this problem?
A bigger
Sabi
blessing.
ko gano'n. Parating,
Yes.
parang doon ako na-excite eh.
That's
Even
the
if there's a
mindset.
problem, I'm excited. Although my reward, excited pa rin ako. Ganun nga. Like what Ate Lian nga, coach mentor namin yan. Sabi niya nga na, be specific. Yeah, be specific. God will give you whatever you pray. Kung sinabi mo, mananalo ka ng loto, o manalo ka lang naman ng loto, and then
Tuna?
nanalo ka ng loto, pero mga 10 bucks. O, siyempre, nanalo ka pa rin.
naman. O, diba?
You have to be specific nga talaga yung kung anong pinagpipray mo. So, ganun nga.
But it matters yung ano kasi, yung puso natin eh.
Yeah,
Tingnan lagi ng
yep.
Panginoon yan eh. So,
Tinitingnan yung Panginoon nung
yun.
where your hearts lie onto.
And always, yun nga, yung pag just sharing sa prayer namin lagi is always kapag yung ano yung will niya. Kasi even though ang ganda ng mga plans mo sa mind mo, pero still God knows what's best for us. So always, in line with His will ang mas maganda.
Yes. Amen.
Yeah.
Amen. Yes. And welcome to our 11
Yeah.
11 million viewers.
And example with that struggle too is yung pinipilit ni Zapnon na we need to hit the four milestone na, sabi niya gano'n.
By end of ano?
By the end of this
end of May. End of May. Isa na lang.
Isa na lang, sabi niya, pinupush niya.
Sabi lang.
Ba't ka ba nagmamadali? Sabi ko, it comes. And then, plus, hindi naman ikaw talaga yung magdi-decide niyan. Sabi ko sa kanya. And then, yun nga, napaiyak pa siya kasi nga, magma-maternity leave na. Wala nang, siyempre, magkukulang yung income niya. And then, here comes the next day. Biglang nakatulog lang kami. And then, we wake up,
Because you prayed specifically.
Did we hit the fourth milestone? Sabi ko sa kanya. Ayun pala
As lesson I've learned from that is yung kasi nga actually kasi during those times syempre of course everything parang we're parang
parati naman
ang daming sumasali
talaga hindi smooth
talaga
sailing.
ang ganda busy and everything.
Hindi smooth
Tapos
sailing
it's where you're human beings, sometimes we get to a point where sige Lord, sige gagawin ko to. Yung parang dinadrive mo na ikaw na yung nagiging piloto nung buhay mo. Ginagawa mo, dami mong effort, ginagawa mo, sige, everything is going smoothly, and then to a point na parang nakakalimutan mo na, 'di ba? Ako ang nagbibigay ako ang nagbibigay lahat sa iyo. So parang that time parang he just reminded me na it's not because of you but because of me. So that parang that time parang dun pina-remind lang naman ba ng Panginoon.
Yeah.
Kasi 'di ba you want the lesson lang na 'di ba? Pinag-pray mo this I'm still 'di ba gusto mo na ako ang mag-drive. So just trust me. Sabi niya ganun. Kasi totoo naman kahit kasi yun yung gusto kong maramdaman ng mga business partners din natin na dapat yung talaga yung trust, talagang believe sa Panginoon na pag pinag-pray mo, do your part also. Pero mas malaking bagay yung talagang entrust mo lahat sa Panginoon. Let him drive the sa journey mo dito sa business na to. Yeah, kasi talagang darating, hindi mo magugulat ka na lang actually yung mga surprises ng Panginoon napakaganda kaysa yung time na kapag may timeline ka kasi sa sarili mo parang actually that's when the time na parang you will feel defeated kasi pag hindi mo na hit yung timeline mo parang masakit, 'di ba? Pero yun yung time na gagamitin din ng kaaway yan, hihilain ka niya, mas lalo ka niyang mas pupunuin ka niya ng mga negative thoughts. But then if you just trust everything to God and just trust the journey, mas maganda, mas ma-enjoy nyo yung journey. And di ba sinasabi
with
pa nga natin, actually with this business we're so thankful and blessed to God na itong business na to parang
You
less stress talaga
less stress,
compared sa mga
more joy.
Kayo, lalo na,
sa mga
compared to the previous
sa
na
mga past
businesses
na
nyo.
mga ano namin, past
Yeah.
na mga sinalihan namin, talagang stressful sila. But with this one, we're learning to enjoy more. Actually, mas yun nga, parang the more na we enjoy, the more
The
na
more,
parang siyang ano,
Smooth.
parang
yeah,
mas smooth, mas
mas smooth
maganda yung ano, yung rewards or yung mga
yeah,
yung
rewards. And
mga
although okay yung relationship namin mag-asawa, but mas nagpo-flourish yung
ano,
pagsasama namin. Tingnan mo, nakabuo ulit ng isa. And then,
Dahil dito.
aha,
Dahil dito.
and then with the kids also, sabi ni Sap nga na,
No.
yung mga bata, labas naman tayo kasi uh, I don't have enough time sa mga kids, sabi niya ganun. Sabi ko, pag naglalaro siya dyan, makipaglaro ka. Eh, sometimes nga, siyempre, pagod naman siya. O, as much as possible, ay sinasabihan ko rin yung mga bata na just understand mom kasi nga, if mom doesn't go to work or tired na, we won't be having a house, sabi niya ganun. And then one it hit me yung pangatlo, si AJ ba o si Leah.
yung
Yung nagsabi kasi na, Dad, why won't you go work? Sabi niya ganun sa akin. Sabi ko ganun. And then sabi ko, if I go to work, who's gonna feed you? Who's gonna cook the food? Who's gonna laundry? Who's gonna clean the house? Who's gonna drop off the key, you guys at school? Sabi ko ganun. At ay, napapayak ako.
Oo naman, di ba? Oo.
Yeah, yun yung pagkasabi niya eh. Do you want me to go to work? And sabi ko, no, I want you to stay. Oh, yun naman pala. And then why would you say that I go to work? Sabi ko
ata
ganun.
nagsabi niya, then mommy stay
Oh,
here
yeah,
and
then
you go to
mommy
work.
stay here and you go to work. Sabi niya ganun.
Yan yung struggle.
And that's yung being a stay home. Kahit sabi mo, yan, nasa bahay kami. We don't do anything. And walang, siyempre, contribution.
Iyak si Ken.
Kaya nga, yun nga.
You have a big contribution,
Yeah.
Ken. That's not easy. What you're doing, it's not easy. It's a huge contribution, so don't think about you don't have contribution.
That's the struggle of, yun yung mga hindi naintindihan pa ng iba. That's the
Yeah.
struggle of being a stay-home mom or
Yeah.
being a stay-home dad. Kasi yan yung mahirap. And just to give a little bit of background or just to inform everyone that our business partner, they have 4 kids and 5th kid is on the way. That's why they really saw this business kasi naniniwala kayo sa personal instinct. Yung ako kasi parang naniniwala ako din yung sa pagbili ng bahay, pagbili ng sasakyan, pag-join ng business, yung ganyan, nararamdaman mo kung it's for you, di ba? Pati sa pagbili ng bahay yung pagpasok mo pa lang sa door, mararamdaman mo na yung yung kung gusto mo, kung talagang para sa yung bahay. And I think that's what I've learned from Zap and Ken, and especially for Ken, who is a struggling stay-at-home dad with 4 kids and 5th kid on the way. It's really a struggle for them, and I saw that they are putting really their effort on this. That's why talagang na-inspire ako sa kanila yung kung papaano, at saka knowing that America, ang hirap ng buhay dito, kailangan mo ng childcare, kailangan mo ng
Yeah.
So malaking tipid talaga na meron talaga yung magsasacrifice, yeah. At saka malaking tulong talaga. And that's what, believe na believe ako kay Ken because
Yeah.
he knows
Saludo
everything.
kami sa'yo.
Yes, he really took care of his kids. Talagang makikita mo na yung mga bata talagang napaka-close sa kanya. At saka, growing up, yung mga anak niya, oh my gosh, ang babait nila. They are talagang ang babait, talagang naturuan ng maayos, ayan, mga sweet, marespeto, disiplinado, mga yan, lahat. Kaya sabi kong ganyan, oh my gosh, kaya ko ba to? Pag ako kaya ang nanay, kaya ko kaya? Parang hindi. Sabi ko, kaya, kaya talagang saludo ako kay Ken.
Mhm. It's
And
worth it
yeah,
to be
and they were
stay-home dad
able
mo.
to find this kind of business na it would work for them, for all of them. It will benefit their whole
Kaya,
family, their kids, nagiging close pa sila, and especially the wife with the Zap, nagiging close silang dalawa. At saka yung relationship nila nag-grow, di ba? Saan ka ba
Mhm.
makakita ng ganyang klaseng
Yes.
business or side hustle lang, o di ba?
Yeah.
Yun yung kagandahan nito eh. And yes, may dadagdag ka, Jeans.
Wala, basta
Pero
I just wanna tell Adin Ken na don't feel bad na you're not contributing. Alam mo ba na it's not easy. What you're doing is napakalaking contribution. Lalo na kay Zap, what if dalawa kayo nag-work? What's gonna
mhm.
happen with you and Zap? At saka
Yeah, yeah, and then
the
nakuha na rin namin
kids.
yun yung minsan yung with Via, she
Mm.
works in the morning tapos ako mag-work ng kwan.
Ah,
And parang magkikita na lang kami pag change shift kami.
yeah.
And then natignan namin na we check na kung magcha-childcare kami parang yun na lang tinatrabaho ko doon na pupunta lahat yung sahod So we don't get me wrong, nag-work din ako sa sa San Francisco Airport as a supervisor din ako sa ramp doon. And then nag-move kami dito sa Antioch. That's when yun na yung naging full-time dad na ako
Ay.
ng 2018, right? That was 2018 nung lipat na kami dito sa Antioch. And then yun nga nung pagkasabi nung 3-year-old ko na si Leah, sabi niya ganun, why don't you go to work? Sabi niya ganun. And then and I'm happy with this business na sabi ko nga every time I do video or anything, yung mag-edit kung sinasabi ko na minsan, hold on, don't disturb daddy because I'm working. Ay naiintindihan na rin yung mga bata na pag nag-edit ako, gano'n, I'm working right now. You can have my phone after I'm done editing because I'm working, sabi ko gano'n. And then plus, nakakatuwa rin with this business, at least may contribution na rin ako financially.
Yeah.
At least sa pagdating nito sa paglabas ni baby, and we're not gonna worry sa mga bills namin kasi may supplemental income na kami na tatanggap. And yeah, and then plus I've been casting all my worries to the Lord. Yun parating ginagawa ko.
Yes. That's the best thing you can do.
Kaya nung naisipan, nung pagtingin ko dun sa ating task 13th day, successful story, si Zap and Kento.
I know. Kaya nga, I've been wanting to hear their, yung parang ganito.
Yeah.
I know,
Their
sabi
story
ko
ba?
rin,
Because you can
with
inspire
this,
a lot of people.
Yes, because
itong pagla-live din with testimonials, syempre naiiyak din sila. Yung pala, ako rin pala, isa rin akong iiyak
Kasi it's coming from your heart. That's why.
Ano?
And I really want to feature you kasi it's a different story then na, stay home dad with 4 kids, di ba? Usually dito kasi sa America is stay home mom or may stay home dad pero it's only 1 kid yung ganyan. Pero yung sa kanila kasi it's a hindi naman malaki pero at least marami kasi. Tapos ang kakaiba pa kasi puro babae. Puro babae yung mga anak nila. So tapos lalaki yung nag-ano. So sabi ko, oh my gosh, she has a lot of struggles for this. Especially nagdadalaga yung isa, di ba? Yeah.
Yeah, kaya nga sabi ko nagdadalaga na yung panganay mo, wala na ako pa magtuturo lang. Sabi ko, magdadalaga na. Ako pa magtuturo lahat ng kwan. Sabi ko na, siyempre, alam mo naman, nagdadalaga na yung panganay. And then sabi ko, yung anak mo, basta, alam mo na yung sa mga babae, turuan mo na siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, alangan ako pa magtuturo, mahihiya na sa akin yan. Sabi ko sa
Yes.
kanya.
But,
Pero
sa-
I think God pa rin sa akin pa rin although ganun na nagdadalaga yung panganay namin at yung pangalawa. They still nagsasabi pa rin sila ng mga secrets nila or anything that happened to them. Nagsusumbong pa rin sila. And kaya sabi ko sa kanila, no secrets in the house. Sabi ko ganun sa kanila. Even if wala na kayo dito sa bahay, walang magsisikret kasi every time na magsikret kayo, what will happen kung hindi nyo pala nakayanan that problem? Sabi ko ganun. You always tell us, magalit man kami or anything, sabi ko gano'n. You always have to tell us, sabi ko ganun. And plus, don't lie, sabi ko gano'n. Parati kong pag kinausap yung mga bata, sabi ko, first of all, don't lie to me. Pag ginanong ko na, doon na sila magsasabi ng totoo. And then, yun nga, I need to toughen them up kasi nga, mga 4 girls nga. And coming up, ganun din natin, babae ulit.
oh, mag-
And, syempre, sa mga gawaing bahay, and everything, tinuturuan ko rin sila. Ngayon nga, nung at mga 4-year-olds sila, tsaka 5 bata, I think. No, 3 and 5. Sila na yung nagsasalang ng labahin nila. At tinuruan ko na sila maglaba. Until now, ngayon na they have meron na silang sariling routine na ginagawa. Minsan, naglilinis na rin sila, nagwawalis na rin sila ng bahay. Kasi sabi ko rin sa kanila, every time magagalit ako, AJ or Ate Avia, Daddy is speaking Chinese. Daddy is mad. Ganun. Oo, pag nag-Ilocano na ako na nagagalit Sabi ko gano'n na, yung mga damit nyo, mga bag nyo, sabi ko gano'n, para kayong ahas na iniwan nyo na lang dito. Sabi ko gano'n. Naghubad na lang kayo, tsaka umalis. Sabi ko gano'n.
mas
And
babae.
tapos yan, takbuhan lahat yung mga yan, nagagawin kagad and everything. And then, yun nga, minsan nga sinasabi din ni Sap nga, ewan ko ba sa mga bata niya, hindi sila nakikinig. Sa'yo lang nakikinig. Sabi niya ganun. Hindi naman siya ganun. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. And sinasabihan ko rin yung mga bata rin also na, every time mommy said something, you follow. Sabi ko ganun. Mommy is the one who's working hard here in this family. Sabi ko ganun. So, parang, siyempre, give mommy yung parang pampalubag loob din ba na at least parang gamot sa pag-work niya, at least para ma-relieve yung stress and everything. Pag day off nga si Sap, hindi ko siya pinapagalaw dito sa bahay. Kaya mag-relax lang siya dyan and everything. Kaya with this business, we, as a family, we enjoy together. Tingnan mo, yung mga kids, nagti-TikTok kami, daddy, mommy, when we are gonna dance again. And then with Leah, sabi niya daddy, were you getting the key? I'm gonna check the mail. Oh, we have to check again. Ganun. Let me open. Na-excite na rin yung mga bata. Maganda itong business na pinasok namin ni Sap kasi talaga, yun nga, gaya ng sinabi namin, if you pray for it and trust the process, trust God, everything will go smoothly according to His plan, not your plan.
Yeah. Yes.
Pagbabatiin ako, ang daming sinabi ng Mr. Cod.
He
Pero
was right.
that's why I'm very thankful nga sa blessing ng Panginoon dito sa business na to kasi that's really a big change. If I compare it to dun sa mga previous businesses na pinapasok namin, this one at least I can see na he's more of the one talagang mas involved siya dito. And yun nga, mas nag-enjoy kami. Yung wise namin when we joined this, nakita nyo naman yung struggles na ginagawa o yung mga ginagawa ng asawa ko para sa family namin. Doon mo makikita na actually, 'di ba, parang it's not about yung mga kahit anong ginagawa natin, lalo na tayo mga nurses pagtatrabaho natin, trabaho tayo ng trabaho, yes, it is para sa para sa family natin yon. But then we're missing a lot, right? I don't feel like I'm doing my part as a mom. Nakikita niyo nga yung parang mga kwento nga niya na yung 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 relationship namin ng mga anak ko, even though they see me, and I'm thankful to my husband na at least ni-explain niya sa kanila, but still hindi mo maibabalik yung namimiss mong time sa kanila. So yung sabi ko talagang kaya what hit me before was when I started hearing not only yung panganay ko, pero yung pati na rin yung pangalawa, and then yung pangatlo na sabi nila na parang there's something wrong here, mom, you're always asleep. Parang takot pa silang mag-ask ng or parang nahiya silang tanungin ako, mom, can we go to the park, or when is your next day off? Parang hindi sila makapag-open up sa akin kasi they always see me like I'm always tired, sleeping. So kapag time na, and ito nga na, and I catch myself too every now and then na parang yun niya, kahit sabihin nung we try our best, lalo kasi night shift tayo na nag-work, I try my best na pag off ako I will talk to them, catch up with them, pero hindi mo na mamalayan kung minsan yung emotion, yung emotion score, mabilis akong magalit sa kanila, or they feel like I'm there to talk to them, to check for some mistakes or yung mga parang yun yung naging parang napapansin ko na mentality nila that mom is asking us because baka may mali na naman tayo, baka may hindi tayo nagawa dyan, yung ganon, instead of them thinking na kinakausap ko sila because I just want to know their day or what. Hindi sila makapag-open up sa akin. So that's really, sabi ko, and it flashback sa akin yung during my nung bata rin ako, sabi ko, ayoko na gan, gusto ko mas maraming time with my parents, sabi ko noon. So I don't want that cycle to happen again in my family. Kaya talaga, I said, I need to make a change. We need to make a change. So talagang, yun yung isa sa mga wise namin with this business, and we're thankful to God kasi slowly, binibigyan niya sa amin yun. I can definitely say that we're actually having more family time. Kasi nag-enjoy kami, yung mga nakikita niya na parang actually parang with this business, at least I don't have to get overtime hours, or yung mag-iisip na naman na I should yung magkukuha na parang nag-iisip ako lagi ng other ways para makadagdagan ulit yung baka ako magkulang kasi kami ganun. Pero with this one, at least yung supplemental income nandyan, dumarating na lang kahit when least expected. Tapos nandito lang kami sa bahay, nag-enjoy kasama ng mga bata. So I'm really thankful talaga na ang Panginoon, binigay niya tong business na to sa amin. Yung relationship namin mag-asawa mas naging stronger. So yun talaga thankful ako.
Less stress talaga, more joy.
More joy.
Yeah, at sabi ni
Join us.
sis
Join
si Cheryl,
us.
si Cheryl, it's a big sacrifice for both kasi nga, yung isa nag-sacrifice para hindi mag-work, yung isa she has to sacrifice her time, to earn for the family. O, di ba? Yan yung talagang, tsaka dami talagang sacrifices. Lalo na pag dito sa Amerika, kung wala kang, kung wala kang family.
Maraming
Ganyan. Tapos
bills.
kung hindi, kakainin lang ng care, ng child care ang pera yung dalawa. Tapos, yung yung masaklap pa, ibang tao pa yung nag-aalaga, na you never know what's happening or what's going on, di ba? Kaya
yun din
yun yung fear
determining factor na na we don't go to sa childcare.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, siyempre, maraming nababalitaan and everything. Anong gagawin sa anak mo?
Yes, di ba? Tapos yung sabi ng iba doon, oy, hello sa ating mga 12 million na viewers, di ba? Tapos
Mhm.
yes, housework is never ending
Oh,
talaga.
hi, Maricha.
Tapos, yung service mo sa family
Hi.
and keeping them full and caring for them is a big contribution already.
Yeah.
Oh, di ba?
Mhm.
Tapos, yeah, sabi ni Ate Joanne, it is better for the children to be with one of the parents rather than
Mhm.
with strangers. So, di ba?
Mhm.
Yun ang
Mhm.
talagang
Yeah.
fear, yung mag-aalagaan ng iba, yun yung nakakatakot. Di ba?
Yung money na sana kinita mo, ang kapalit sana nun ay yung papaano lumaki ngayon yung anak mo, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi mo yung mababayaran kahit pa mag-work ka ng 4 na trabaho, yung output mo
Mhm.
sa mga anak mo ngayon, di yun mababayaran kung nag-work ka. So it's ano, worth it yung pag-stay home dad mo. Hindi mo yun mapapalitan.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Di ba?
True.
Tapos tama nga si Zap, no more part-time or no more overtimes. Like for me, I was just looking for another part-time or per diem job and I was able to find this. Tapos
Mhm.
si Gina, heads up talaga ako, di ba? Hardworking talaga yan.
Yeah,
Grabe.
hardworking
Kahit
and then
naman,
give up
oo,
yung isang job.
ever since na nakilala ko yan, talagang hardworking yan. Kung po pwede, kahit na wala siyang off, tapos
I
kahit na
know.
mag 12 hours na nga lang siya, mag 16 hours
Ah,
pa. Yan. Ganyan
tiyak
ang
ako.
Gina.
Mhm.
Yes, and then just, kailan na yun, Jeans? Yung
January. Alin?
January.
Beginning
Yun na.
January, yun na.
Yes. No more part-time, no more per
Per
diem, o di
diem.
ba? Tapos ngayon is minsan-minsan na siya, once in a blue moon na siya nagpi-pick up ng overtime. Yung
Yeah.
overtime pa niya pag naawa lang siya sa unit namin. Yun lang pag naawa lang
Pag
siya sa
nahiya
Oo,
unit
ako.
kung
namin.
wala silang kasama, ganon.
Oo, na walang staff, na pero may sick patients. Syempre,
Oo.
hindi kaya ng konsensya natin yun. Si
Mhm.
Jeans, ganun siya. Kaya once in a blue moon na lang siya nag-overtime ngayon,
Oo.
di ba? Which is,
Diba? Praise
Mhm.
God. Thank you,
yes.
Lord.
And I'm very, very
Ayan.
happy. Tapos, dahil sa business na to, yun nga, naging family na kami. And
Yes.
Mhm.
then, yes, the good thing is, o, di ba? Pati si Ken, napapaluto na kami nilulutuan na kami ni Gina,
Kasama na kami sa ano no?
Kasama na kami sa budget.
Nakapag-contribute na
Oy,
tayo.
at saka hindi na masakit sa budget yung paggastos ngayon.
Oo,
Yun.
right off.
Yeah,
I
Big
know
thing, big
that.
Yes.
thing.
yeah,
Yes.
yun yung number one thing, yun yung benefit doon.
Mhm.
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 Yeah.
Right
Noon,
off.
talagang kalkulado, o teka, may matitira pa ba? May extra? Okay, may extra. Oh, we could eat outside, gano'n. Kung walang extra, no. We go home and I'll cook. Yung gano'n.
Uy, pero the best naman ang luto ni Ken.
Yes, nako.
Yes.
Compared sa
So,
lahat, malayong mas masarap yan
Pero
kaysa sa
yes.
mga
pero wag
mamahalin.
ka, since with this digital business,
Ah.
tinatamad na ako magluto.
Hindi ka na nagluluto.
Ganun
I
ba? Because dahil,
know, yeah, kasi sometimes, Mami, medyo
Ang
tinatamad
tagal
ako.
na nung beef brisket natin, wala na. Oh.
Tinatamad na ako,
Tagal na
sabi
yung
ko
beef
gano'n.
brisket.
Kasi,
Okay, order na lang tayo dyan sa labas.
kasi
So,
yun
kain tayo sa labas.
right off. Oh, diba?
Yes, kaya gano'n.
Archie, maingay na.
yes, yun yung kagandahan kasi ng business na to kasi malaki talaga yung coverage niya, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung ano na.
Yeah.
Tsaka
Kaya
you're thinking of something to write off at the end of the year kasi noong wala ka pang business, tinitipid mo kasi, 'di ba? Wala kang karapatang mag-write off. You just
That's
spend
true.
it.
Kasi sabi ko sa Mami. Kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo, 'di ba? Multiple business yung mga pinasok namin. Although konti lang. Mami, wala tayong may write off with this business, sabi ko gano'n. Ano kaya magandang business ulit ako? Na may write off natin, sabi ko gano'n. Kasi hindi na natin may write off parang konti na lang yung parang naiano doon
right.
sa tax natin
Yeah.
Sabi ko gano'n. And then plus hindi naman tayo kasi sometimes yung other businesses you need proof
Mhm.
para ma-write off mo yung mga
Pwede i-write
nagastos
off.
mo and everything. But with this digital business, at least
Nandiyan na, hindi
nandyan lang.
Mhm.
You just post it.
You
That's it.
post.
Yes. Dahil nasa
Mm.
digital and attraction marketing.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
And the good
marketing.
thing is worldwide, di ba?
Yes.
Worldwide to. So every country that has a tax, nagbabayad ng tax, so they can all tax write off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Di ba? Yes.
Yes.
We have business
At saka
partners
kuwan.
all over, like Saudi, Australia, 'di ba? Pilipinas.
Yeah, registered to eh. Kaya legit.
Legit.
Yes.
100%.
Yes, and wow, ang grabe, na-touch naman ako sa
Kaya nga, di ba?
sa,
Naiyak pa si
sa
Ken. Ano ka ba?
and thank you for making it possible na may
Sabi ko
ano
sa'yo
ako ngayon.
Tapos kausapin mo eh.
Saludo
Sabi-
kaya kami sa'yo.
Sabi ko,
Napalabas
lifesaver ko
mo
tong
ngayon yung
mga
ano
to
niya.
talaga. Sabi ko, lifesaver. Thank you, thank you. And yes, di ba? Talagang gusto ko rin yung story ninyong dalawa eh. At saka
I know,
talagang
di
dyan
ba?
naman ako nag-inspire. At saka dyan ako nagsimula kung bakit
Oh,
nandito ako ngayon.
Ano pang tanong?
Di ba?
Pero di na
Yun
sa
lang.
tanungin mo na.
Actually, yun
Nasa
lang.
mood
Dahil
siya.
dahil ayokong pahabain pa ang mga oras
Mhm.
ninyo. And at saka at least, di ba, ang dami nyong na-share. So hopefully, na-motivate natin yung mga, na-motivate
Yes,
at
yes, yes.
na-encourage natin ang ating mga viewers.
Mhm.
Tsaka, thank you for checking and dropping by. Please watch until the end because very inspirational nga naman yung mga stories, o di ba?
Yep. Thank you,
Oh.
thank you, thank you, thank you for the invite. Thank you.
Yes.
Hopefully
Yes.
may na-inspired dyan and everything.
O, di ba?
And
Buksan
Marami
natin yung
yan.
ano.
yeah, we're
Buksan natin ito.
Maraming na-inspire.
Yeah, buksan na, buksan na, buksan.
Go, go.
Mag-open ka na,
So,
mag-open ka na.
dahil dito sa US, not to brag, di ba? But to
Yeah.
inspire. O, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nakaka-receive kami ng, kung nagtataka kayo, uy, legit tong envelope na to. This is dated. May date po siya.
Yes.
O, di ba?
Mhm.
May date siya. Kahit natingnan nyo, may date siya. Yan. So, legit talaga. legit talaga siya. Tapos, nakaka-receive kami ng check. Kasi sa ibang bansa, they're getting
Deposit.
Direct deposit.
Direct deposit sila.
Yes. But for
Yeah.
us, we're getting checks. And for today's, may income ako ngayon.
Yay!
Pwede, one day. One day salary. O, di ba? Tapos, I went to work yesterday. I worked last night nga pala. And then I received a letter. So, it's a success. Oh, success din yan.
Daisy!
Yeah, Daisy Award!
Pero hindi ako nanalo.
It's okay.
Nominate?
Nominate ka naman. That's
At least
already.
Pa rin yan.
That's a
At least
success
nominated.
story. Yes.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Dapat may pera.
At saka yung business namin dati, nung bago pa mang business, pag nag-check ka ng mail dahil nag-aantay ka ng ng billing.
I know, bills.
Yes, ng
Ayaw mo
bills.
na nga puntahan, hindi na namin
I
sinecheck.
know, diba? Ngayon excited ka na kasi check.
Oh,
I know, Kung hindi bills, mga junk mails na mga
Oo, junk
offers
mail.
and
Yes.
everything.
Gusto baka sinecheck ko yung email ng USPS eh.
Ngayon, you're excited
Pero
to
pag
go
nag-check ka
and
ng email mo, may USPS ba?
Oo nga.
Yung
Yeah.
husband ko si Kitson. Grabe, my husband is skeptical before. Parang naisip niya na,
Parang naiba na ang point of view,
Oh.
no?
Ngayon, naiba na. So,
Uh-huh.
ayan, Daisy Award.
Yun.
O, di ba, yan ang success, natin.
For the
ngayon.
second time.
Yeah, for the second.
Second
Oh,
time
diba?
for this year.
Yeah, last year too.
Yeah.
Success story pa rin yan. Success.
Yes.
That's a
And thank you so
story.
much. Yes, thank you so much for pinaunlakan niyo ang aking biglaang imbitasyon. Aba, malalim yun na Tagalog. Grabe. And last
Narinig-
minute siya, tsaka lifesaver. Pero, yan din yung unang nasa isip ko. Late ko lang na talaga na sinabi na, syempre, success stories. Of course, I will be always thinking the two of you. Yes, di ba?
Mhm.
So, thank you so much. And for our 10 million viewers, thank you so
Thank
much. And I hope that
you.
we were able to
Wala
motivate,
na.
encourage
Wala
you
na.
all. Yes.
Nag-overload na
11.
live.
Ha?
Ha?
11 na, 11
Oh,
na.
ayun na,
11M.
pop-up na. So, yes, yun na. Last word, Gina and Zap. Ken and Zap.
Yeah,
Pati
so
Jin.
yeah. Don't think twice na if you're thinking of legitimacy sa business namin, don't worry because it's 100% legitimate. marami kaming benefits, tax write-off. Tapos yung ano lang, yung change yung mindset mo. It's a big thing already. While you're earning, while you're working on your business, you're working on your personality too.
Yes.
Yes,
Which is a very,
absolutely.
ano, at
Yeah.
saka,
The business of
gagaling yung mga
helping
mentors
people,
nyo.
helping families. So,
Yes.
Yes,
You
just
know, don't
yeah,
hesitate to ask us, you know, what this business is all
just
about.
take a leap of faith, and
Yeah.
it is 100%. If this is a scam, we should be in jail right now.
Yes.
Yes. And it's a win-to-win situation, di ba?
Yes.
May
Yeah.
matutunan ka, makikita mo yung business, may matututunan ka.
And then just go to our websites, yung
Yeah.
mga posting namin.
Our links
Just go to our website
listed
there
below.
if you want to know more and get on board.
Yes.
Yes.
Get on
Get on board
board.
already.
Yeah, on
And
board.
I assure you, welcoming ang grupo namin with the love and everything. And we pray for you. We pray for you.
Yeah.
Whatever decision you guys will make, we're just here. And we keep on praying for you guys to be
Mhm.
encouraged and everything. And God bless you all.
Yes.
Yes. God bless
Okay, so
everyone.
my name is Julian again, and Gina.
Gina, I'm Gina.
And Ken and Zach.
And
Thank
we are
you.
proud business
This
owners.
Yes.
is owner.
Digital
And
business owner.
signing
Yes.
out, but you have to sign in.
Yes.
And that's it.
Yes,
Alrighty.
thank you. Bye-bye.
You did it. Thank you. Ate
Oy.
Karen Zap
Bye.
and Ningaw.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Thank you.
God
Thank
bless
you.
Have a
everyone.
good day.
Thank you
Have
sa
a
13
blessed day,
million viewers.
everyone.
Bye.